Hello Stuart, if you don't mind, I thought I'd just send you this short video of this Victoria engine that I've now finished. I've stripped the thing down totally to remove all that red paint that used to be around the brass bits and some of the engine frame in there, and I built a small retaining wall around it, as you can see, and also a small pit wall. Just a representation, of course, as that would have probably been sunk down about 12 foot in the floor in real life. But anyway, let's just get it going. Oh. And there you go. Really pleased with this engine. Still there's a slight clunk. I know exactly what it is. I'll go around the other side and show you. Get around there eventually. Right, there's a bit of play on the end of this shaft where the nut goes through. So what I've done, I've ordered some shims in brass for now. I couldn't seem to get the right shims in Teflon or PTFE. They start at £0.5 mil. I think I'll need less than that. So I bought some packing shims, they'll be here soon, and I'll see if I can just put a bit in there just to take up that little bit of slack. It's not a lot. I think you agree, this is a really nice engine. I really do like this. Going to be running on steam very shortly. Just sent off from my lubricator. It's going to come out of here. I'm going to drill that small flange there like I did to your one and tap it out at 40 TPI, and I can run it all off in 532. Yeah, it's lovely. As I say, I have to strip it all down just to do these. Where we painted all the red bits, these are all spacers in here. They were all painted red. I had to take a lot off, and then to do that you had to take this off, that off, and in the end I'll just bugger it. I'll just strip the whole lot down to nothing. Bricking took me about 7 hours, 200 bricks, so I like that sort of finish. Oh shit, right. Over my compressor, hang on, broke my neck then. Right, a nice little Stuart badge left over, so I thought I'll put that on there. So there you go, Stuart. Take care, mate, and I'll, you can call any time, and I'll be in touch myself. Thank you.